The US PTO has implemented a new fee structure. Here are the key changes you must know. These fee adjustments have an immediate impact on all patent applicants. Let's break down the major fee changes in the new USPTO structure. We are seeing higher costs for patent filing and examination fees for almost all application types. A significant addition is a new fee for filing information disclosure statements, impacting how you manage prior art. There are also changes to the maintenance fee schedule and due dates, which affects the lifecycle cost of your patents. These changes have crucial strategic implications for all patent applicants. You must plan for higher upfront costs, meaning you need to allocate a larger budget for the initial filing and examination stages. While small and micro entities still receive fee reductions, the overall cost baseline has increased, affecting their IP budgeting. Consider the entire lifecycle cost of your patents, including the new fees and maintenance schedule, for accurate long-term budgeting. To adapt, focus on filing high-quality applications and utilizing fee reduction statuses where applicable.